give you will call for setting it up like this.
Right.
And what I did is did all the fittings so I can control the pressure.
Oh, okay.
And on and off.
Awesome.
And actually, I've got a T built over there, so I'm running both of these off of that one
That's
compressor.
cool. We'll put that together. That's great. Thank you.
Ready?
Whoa! Nelly! Holy cow! That was cool. That was.
Did that have nitrous in it?
That was awesome. That's got to be the highest one I've seen.
Oh my God!
That was so cool.
Pull this. That was awesome! That was the highest!
Well, I make good rockets, don't I?
Dude, that was the highest, all right.
Oh my gosh!